Welcome to our channel, where innovation meets creativity. Today, we are diving deep into the world of AI-powered image-to-video transformation. Get ready to be amazed as we introduce you to the top 5 AI image-to-video tools that will take your visual storytelling to the next level. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Our journey begins with Heygen, an AI tool that works wonders when it comes to breathing life into your images. Heygen's innovative algorithms can turn any picture into a mesmerizing video. Let's see it in action. To begin with, a user-friendly registration process. Afterward, click on the Create Video button and select your preferred video size. Now, you can access the dashboard. Please choose a public avatar from this selection. If you remove the avatar background from this tab, enter the text script from this point. Next, click the Submit button. Please wait a moment while we process your image into a video. Now, this video is ready with voice.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
You can begin with the free plan, which includes 1 free credit, a maximum duration of 1 minute, access for 1 user, and a library of over 120 public avatars, and more than 300 voices. Next up, we have DID, the AI powerhouse that specializes in face transformation. With DID, you can animate faces, change expressions, and create jaw-dropping effects. In the beginning, an easy-to-follow sign-up procedure. Afterward, click on the Create Video button and select your preferred avatar. Following that, you have the option to either type your script or upload voice audio. Subsequently, press the Generate Video button to initiate the video generation process. Please be patient while the system processes the conversion from image to video. Now, play the video. You can watch it with accompanying audio.
Hi, I am Jenny. I am content creator at YouTube and affiliate marketer.
You can begin with the free plan, which includes a personal license, DID watermark, limited support, premium and standard presenters, 15 AI presenter prompt generations, and AI script generations. Now, let's dive into the world of emotion with Sass Talker. This AI tool empowers you to add genuine emotions to your visuals. Whether it's a heartfelt message or a powerful advertisement, Sass Talker makes your content emotionally resonant. Right from the start, a hassle-free registration process. Next, select the source image. You can either drag and drop the image here or click to upload it from this location. Following that, input your audio from this location. You have the freedom to configure these settings as you prefer. Subsequently, click on the Generate button. Please wait for a moment while the system processes the conversion from image to video. Now, you can play this video, and you'll be able to watch it with audio.
Hi, I am Jenny. I am content creator at YouTube and affiliate marketer.
You can begin with the free plan, which allows you to host unlimited models, datasets, and spaces, create unlimited organizations and private repositories, and access the latest milliliter tools and open source resources. Plus, you'll have access to community support. For those who crave precision and attention to detail, Cutout Pro is the go-to AI tool. It excels at isolating objects within an image, creating stunning cutout animations. To start, upload an image containing the object you wish to highlight. After a while, you'll be able to view an animated image right here. You have the freedom to select an exemplar as you desire. You can download it in either MP4 or GIF format from this location. You can start with free previews indefinitely, receive 5 free credits, and obtain additional free credits if you have an invitation code. Last but not least, we have RunwayML, the AI tool that turns your images into a canvas of endless artistic possibilities. With RunwayML, your creativity knows no bounds. From the get-go, a straightforward registration process. Import your image into the RunwayML interface. Please wait for a moment while we process your image into a video. You have the option to view an animated image. Now, click to play and watch. You can start with the free plan, which includes 125 credits, and it offers several features. You cannot purchase additional credits, have access to 3 video projects, store up to 5 GB of assets, collaborate with up to 3 editors, and export your video edits in 720 pixel resolution. Please note that there are limited image export options available with this plan. There you have it, folks. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, these tools will take your video content to new heights. Be sure to check them out and start creating stunning videos today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.